So we have a 2024 Lexus RX500 for a ghost to Immobiliser. We're going to go through and show you how it works. So whilst we're in here, we'll see if we go to shut the vehicle, as we have. So if we turn the vehicle on, so to change the password, all you must do is simply enter your password for the vehicle. As you can see, you've got your two beeps on the right hand side. That was because I entered my password, which is our window four times here, at the moment. So to change the password on the vehicle, you must simply just hold your headlights towards you and you're going to enter the same password again. So for demonstration, you're going to press that. As you can see, there's the flash that's happening in the corner. We can now let go and that will be ready for its new password. So for changing on the password demonstration, we're going to keep it on the same button. We do 4 flashes. You're going to get 3 flashes down there in the corner to acknowledge. We're going to do the same button again. It's now going to give us 2 flashes. That is now our new password. We switch the system off and that will be operational. So for servicing mode or valet mode, however you would like to call it, you simply switch your engine on. We're going to input our password. We're going to get our 2 flashes down below. Once we have that, we can then simply start the vehicle. Once the vehicle is on, operational, you then drive the vehicle to your point of destination. When you're at your destination, this rear window heater button, we're going to press 5 times. This will now flash 5 times to let you know you have gone into service/valet mode. So if we switch the vehicle off now there'll be no password, no beeping, no nothing. They don't need it to start or drive the vehicle. Now, for demonstration purposes, we're going to start the vehicle. If you was to ever collect the vehicle from them, you must simply start the engine. You wait a few seconds and you're going to simply input your password for the vehicle. Once you've input your password, you're going to get 2 flashes on the right hand side. That will now confirm the vehicle has now been taken out of service or valet mode and the ghost has now been reinstated on the vehicle. And that is how a small tutorial would work on the Lexus RX500 2024.